Today, I'll show you how to create a template for CapCut. A CapCut template is useful when you want to reuse the same video style again and again. You can create a layout with clips, text, music, effects, transitions, and timing, then use it as a starting point for future videos. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap New Project. Now add the video clips or photos you want to use for your template. Choose clips that match the structure you want, such as an intro, main section, highlight part, and ending. Once your clips are in the timeline, start editing the template layout. Trim each clip to the right length. Add transitions between clips if you want a smoother flow. Next, add text. For example, you can create placeholders like title here, add your tip, or product name. This makes it easier to replace the text later when using the same layout again. Now add music, sound effects, filters, stickers, captions, overlays, or animations if your template needs them. Make sure everything is timed correctly. Play the video from the beginning and check the pacing. If you want to reuse this edit later, go back to the CapCut home screen. Your project will be saved as a draft. Rename the draft so it's easy to find, such as Shorts template, Product Promo template, or Reels template. When you want to use it again, open the draft, duplicate the project if CapCut gives you that option, then replace the clips and text with new content. If you want to publish an official CapCut template for other people to use, you may need access to CapCut's Template Creator program, depending on your region and account. And that's it. You've successfully created a reusable template for CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.